2022 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. What we got done on it, we're gonna do it quick because we're busy. Factory converter. Then we true dualed it all the way back, no X-pipe. There's the resonator that was there, we took it out. We want it as loud as possible. There's the rear mufflers that were on it. We cut them off and ran straight pipes. There's the valves. What we usually do is zip tie them away, as you guys can see. Leave them connected when you zip tie them, so they open and close so the car doesn't throw a check engine light on each side, okay? They need to be plugged in and connected, okay? So the car recognizes that the valves are there, because it will throw a check engine light if it doesn't, as you guys can see. And then we put quad tips out the back, black, to finish the look. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see there. And there's the resonator, dual in, dual out. We cut it off. And there's the two mufflers that were on it that we cut off there. Guys are bringing them out. Right there, that's the two mufflers. That's the two resonators. All right, and that's what it looks like after. So hit us up if you guys need anything. We're located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always, guys, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. 22 Ford Mustang. Decibels, go ahead. 118. Wow. Beautiful. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang GT Coyote 5.0, fully straight pipe, other than the cats, of course. No X-pipe, nothing. True dual, straight pipe with quads. This sounds so good. Wow, that sounds really nice. I love it.